Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Beetle engine. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Disconnect the battery first to prevent any electrical issues. Then, securely lift your vehicle onto jack stands, ensuring it's stable. Finally, drain all fluids, like oil and transmission fluid, to avoid spills during the removal process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and safe operation. Next, you'll systematically disconnect everything attached to the engine. Start by removing the air cleaner and carburetor. Carefully detach all fuel lines and electrical connections, labeling them, if necessary, for reinstallation. Don't forget to unbolt the exhaust system and disconnect the heater hoses. Taking your time here ensures you don't miss any vital connections. Now for the main event, engine removal. Use a floor jack with a wooden block or an engine hoist to support the engine's weight. Carefully remove all the bolts connecting the engine to the transmission. Once separated, slowly and steadily lower the engine out of the vehicle. Ensure clear space around you for this critical step. With the engine out, take a moment to inspect the engine bay for any forgotten components or debris. Prepare your engine for its next phase, whether that's storage, repair, or a rebuild. Remember, a thorough check now saves trouble later. Also, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.